Welcome to Sharada Vidya Niketan Public School, Talapadi. In our school, students thrive as learners, growing and developing academically, physically, socially, mentally and spiritually. We inspire students to pursue their passions and lead a life of excellence and purpose. Our beautiful campus of 35 acres of natural setting provides the perfect ambience for our students to progress. Motivated students and teachers from diverse cultures, religions and regions enhance sublimity of self with different perspectives, but show the same high regard for realization of one's greatest potential. Spacious and well-ventilated classrooms are equipped with a projector and Educom Smart Class software, making learning easier and more enjoyable for the students. Apart from this, students are assigned individual cubics for storing their stationeries. Teachers are well trained to handle audio-visual based modules, browsing the internet that complements the curricular concept of the subject. Importance is given to art and craft also. Prepared items exhibition is held every year. Science Park consists of new advanced working model which provide ample opportunities to the students to understand science concepts effectively. Students get motivated through this to interact with the children of other schools. Tiny tots are free birds in the playroom and the park which are meant for them to play. Modern computer lab with 40 desktops are regularly updated with the latest software. Students are given supervised access to World Wide Web. A growing library with a vast collection of interesting books in different languages, newspapers, periodicals, magazines, etc. are made available to the students. Importance is given to the classical dance and music. Students won many prizes in and around Mangalore. Effort is being made to teach written and spoken language Sanskrit. Physics, chemistry and bio labs are to help the children experience practically. They perform various experiments under the supervision of teachers. Conference room is used for special presentations, seminars and training sessions. Spacious and multifunctional auditorium serves as a venue for various activities and events of the school. The school staff and students assemble in the auditorium for the daily morning assembly and other functions. The students also use the facility for after school hours indoor sports activities like badminton and table tennis. Our school has made a name for its sporting traditions. Participation in games and sports is mandatory for students. They are encouraged to choose from a wide variety of disciplines which include football, basketball, volleyball, badminton, table tennis, kho-kho, chess, carom, cycling, skating and various athletic activities. Our students won national level prize in volleyball and skating and participated in SGFI, that is School Game Federation of India. Apart from sports activities, students actively participate in the cultural activities also. Students put up an array of performance that is entertaining and evokes a respect for the performer and admiration for the unforgettable shows. All these activities are aimed at improving the students' self-confidence and at preparing them to overcome their inhibitions in school and in life. Special importance is given to yoga and meditation to reduce the stress of the students and teachers. teachers of SVPS are equally talented, and they show their talents on Teachers' Day, Children's Day, and so on.
Since the time I have joined here, it has been a roller coaster ride with all activities, fun, frolic for the students as well as the teachers. It keeps us occupied throughout the day, but then we enjoy at the end of the day when we see the happy faces of the children and their becoming self-reliant, doing the things on their own. It gives a very good sense to us. We get joy out of that, and as a individual also, the school provides a good sphere for development in terms of like the things, the time that we get here, then the ways we are occupied here, that it leads to our development. We get ample opportunities for discovering ourselves, discovering our own talents. With our work is to discover the talents of the students, but along with that we are discovering our things, our talents that we had that were hidden till now. And now because of the time that we get and all, everything inclusively, it has been a learning experience that is keeping us all smiling. At the end of the day, yes, we are tired and all, but then we are happy. A smile of satisfaction can be seen in everybody's face. A smile of job well worked, well done.
We have unique way of celebrating all the festivals like Deepavali, Sharada Puja, Shri Krishna Janmashtami, Independence Day, and so on. Life in the school's hostel is structured around the principle home away from home. The hostel fulfills very important purposes. Hostel has 5 independent wings with separate wings for boys and girls. These wings consist of spacious and well-ventilated rooms which provide students with all necessary facilities. Each wing has a loving and caring teacher in charge. A parent teacher is assigned to a small number of students who offers them support, guidance, and assistance as they are exposed to new and unfamiliar surroundings. Each teacher actively monitors the students' academic performance, their sports participation and achievement, their illness, their participation in school activities, and so on. Night study hour will be held under the supervision of the class-wise subject teachers. School has devised an efficient system of dealing for promptly providing medical attention and care to the students as and when required by entering into an agreement with the famous Nitte Hospital. Doctors visit the school weekly once. A healthy mind rests in a healthy body. Care and attention is devoted to provide nutritious food to the growing children. A menu that offers meals that are healthy and nutritious as well as delicious and appealing to the varied tastes